Oh, and a fly. Hello. Yeah. The people now walking through the street. Cormorant? I don't know. That's it. I'm into the cormorant now. Volcano Street. Yeah. Wanna come here? Hello. Hello. Oh, there he is. Maybe in the station.
This is the one you like?
Yeah. Ooh, can get my phone. So we are in here, and that's the birds. Oh no, you are here. We are there. We are there. Number 2 is the birds. Then number 3 is the blue dolphin.
No.
No? Just look at your feet. Whale.
Isn't that what it is?
So Blair thinks it's a whale.
This is the ocean.
Wow, that's pretty cool to think like. Ah no, it does have the patterns.
Doesn't have any like.
I mean, this is always here, that seed. So nice, I like it. Yeah, well, it's cold. Yeah, I really like this one.
Oh dear.
It looks not real. It doesn't look real, this flower. Oh, this is the one there. Mango para.
Where's that?
It's just here. I also want to shoot the Maki Herige Waka.
I guess these are these powder? These designs.
I really like it. I will show you these designs of this artist from Takapuna. She was so good. This one. New Zealand Dance Company. 15th on Wednesday. in Kapahaka? Oh, 16. But they will be so cold, no? They will be so... I maybe come to this one. I think it's quite cool. And the stars there on the building. I like the music a lot.
Epic.
Yeah.
These are as well. They're like they're You see these? You see this? So this is Shane Cotton. Mexico. Remember Mexico?
I used to.
That's what it's named.
Oh yeah, you think? I really like this one as well. What?
Just right.
All gathered together.
The elder all gathered together.
The sky, paths. That's it? Those the end.
And opens up.
We'll say
And do you think it's backwards now?
Kereama, Matire Kereama. Matire Kereama.
Yeah. Hiwa.
Hiwa iterange. I have some of your words with me. Going faster.
YT